Hey guys, it's Kerry. Lots of interesting elephants today, and I'm also going to be showing you some of my mammoths and other prehistoric mammals. I'm looking at African elephants first. This elephant cuff is made by PNSO. It's a beautiful model. The elephant is the planet's largest terrestrial mammal. The African forest elephant is a forest-dwelling species found in the Congo Basin. It is the smallest of the 3 living species of elephant. The other African elephant is the African bush elephant. The calves. They have a long gestation period of 22 months. A newborn baby elephant can weigh up to 260 pounds. It can stand up shortly after being born. And here's Finnickphant from Zootopia. The word elephant comes from the Greek word elephas, which means ivory. Can you tell me how long a mammoth's tusk can grow? The elephant's trunk is a fusion of its nose and upper lip. It's the elephant's most important limb. The elephant's trunk is sensitive enough to pick up a blade of grass and strong enough to rip the branches off a tree. The trunk is also used for drinking and bathing. The elephant can suck up to 14 litres of water at a time and then blow it straight into its mouth. When bathing, the elephant sucks water to spray on its body. Elephants can walk and they can run. They cannot jump, trot or gallop, but they can swim and use their trunk as a snorkel. The Asian elephants, with a little bit smaller size and smaller ears. Asian elephants have much smaller tusks. The tusks on many female and sometimes male Asian elephants measure just only 1 or 2 inches in length, and they are called tushes. There are 3 subspecies: the Sri Lankan elephant, the Indian elephant, and the Sumatran elephant. Elephants flap their ears to keep cool. Asian elephants tend to live in shady forests and don't have to endure the same extreme temperatures as their African cousins. As a result, Asian elephants have smaller ears than African elephants. My favourite mammoth, or woolly mammoth. Woolly mammoths roamed northern Eurasia and North America during the last ice age. It coexisted with early humans who used its bones and tusks to make art, tools and shelter. Their ears were lined with fur and they had a layer of fat to keep them warm and reduce the risk of frostbite. We've got quite a herd here. Their tusks were very long, about 16 feet or 5 meters, and were used for fighting and for digging in the deep snow. And here's the calf. These large mammals lived during the last ice age and may have died off when the weather became warmer and their food supply changed. The Steppe Mammoth is an ancestor of the woolly mammoth. It had a short skull and a smaller jaw. And here's another mammoth. American Mastodon was a distant relative of the mammoth. They both lived at the same time. Gomphotherium had 4 tusks. It used the lower tusk much like a shovel. Mastodon had 2 pairs of tusks, one on the upper jaw and 1 pair in the lower. Deinotherium had a long, low skull, unlike modern-day elephants. Steppe Mammoth, American Mastodon, Gomphotherium, Mammoth, Deinotherium, Amebelodon. I think the mammoths are my favourites today. Remember to tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video uploads. Elephantidae is a family of large herbivorous mammals collectively called elephants and mammoths. These are terrestrial large mammals with a snout modified into a trunk and teeth modified into tusks. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.